morning. This is OG Silverstacker, aka Asan. So, welcome to my channel. It's a new channel you can see, and it's my first channel and my first time. It's actually my first time operating the front camera to make a video. So, welcome to my channel. You are one of the lucky 31 subscribers I have, I guess, and you just want to know who I am, and I wanted to introduce myself. So as I said, my name is Asan, and I've been collecting silver since 2015, because before that I was broke and I couldn't afford it. At that time, I think the first maple leaf I bought was for $22 and was 1993 Canadian maple leaf from Royal Canadian Mint, obviously. And I'm in Toronto, so I was in downtown Chinatown, and I went to a jewelry store and I bought it for $22. And since then, my average price was like for good 5-6 years, it was like $25, because the price went down all the way to 15 USD, and I ended up buying it even at that time for like $20, 21 Canadian dollars. And then price went up, so eventually I end up stacking a lot of Canadian maple leaves and US eagles, and then I had a whole bunch of the what you call those kookaburras, the Chinese ones, the pandas. So eventually in 5-6 years I ended up collecting like 40 pounds, 50 pounds worth of silver coins, not even bullions. So then in 2020 I thought that I should get a haircut on that and sell some of it, and I tried to sell and I couldn't sell. So at that time the USD price was 27 or 28, and the market price for Canadian dollar was $35, and I tried to sell it for $35. I thought maybe $1 or $2 less they will buy it from me, but they were offering me like $30. They means the local coin shops. So I didn't sell it, and then I was lucky that I had one of my bosses. He was into coin collecting, and I asked him if he wants to buy, and he said yes, and I ended up selling, I guess, half of my stack. I didn't even need to, but I was so hard broke, and then I sold half of my stack, all the generic ones. I just kept a few which I really liked. So I sold more than I needed to, so I ended up buying and keeping the art pieces, which I thought they were art, and I still think they are art, because I usually buy them in series. Like I have Lord of the Rings, I have Friends, I have Harry Potter series, I have paintings which are in silver, coins. We will eventually go through them all together. Then I have some friends who have very nice collector pieces that they would be happy to share with me to show you guys. So basically the reason for starting this channel was to share with you guys what I have. It's almost like when you're collecting that much, you end up collecting pieces that you want to share with others. So I wanted to make videos which are high quality in art related pieces, which I can show in detail, because especially with the cameras we have nowadays on the cell phones and the technology we have. So I'm learning, and I hope I can share my learnings with you. I don't even know how to make these videos, but I'm pretty sure I can learn. So join my channel if you want to go through the whole stack. Right now I'm working on a video that I want to soon. This is my warrior stack, and soon it's gonna be on my channel. Some of them are already in shorts, but most of them are not. So see you soon. Subscribe. Bye.